What up guys, Gadgetpino here, and today we're going to unbox the Fifine M9 wireless microphone. If you're looking for a budget-friendly wireless microphone without having to buy expensive one, I think this is the alternative you should consider. And by the way, thanks to Fifine for sending this microphone to review. So without further ado, let's unbox the product. Alright, right off the bat, you can see the box itself. There's a lot of features listed in the box. On the front, you will see pictures of the wireless microphone along with features indicators beside it. These include stable data transmission, 1 to 2 wireless mics, and compatibility with mobile phone, laptop, and cameras. So you can use it with 3 devices: phone, laptop, and camera. On the other side, you will see that it has an intelligent noise reduction, so I assume there's a noise reduction features in the microphone. There's also a mute buttons with an indicator, so whether you mute the mic, it will show that it's muted. Additionally, the box mentions a 50-meter barrier-free transmission range, meaning it can still connect even from a distance of up to 50 meters, and also has a battery life of 6 hours, which is great for a full day of using a wireless microphone like this one. When you open the box, you will find a case. I think it's a hard case and it's pretty cool. The case is very sturdy and high quality, and I like it a lot because I don't need to buy an extra hard case for my microphone, and it's really solid. When you unzip the case, you will see some accessories and cables. Here we have some user manuals which you can read to understand the features of the microphone. There's a lot of helpful information in the manual. We also get 2 extra wind muffs, which is great. You will find also a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, as well as 2 3.5mm audio cables. One of the audio cables is likely for the phone in case you have a 3.5mm audio jack. Next, we have the charging case. The charging case has a USB-C port which you can use to charge it. The quality of the charging case is very impressive, very solid, sturdy plastic, and it feels similar to other high-end cases. When you open it, you will see 2 wireless microphones, and you will be testing this out later. It also comes with a receiver, and there's 2 microphones included as well. Let's take a closer look at the microphone. It seems to be an omnidirectional microphone. There's a power button on the side and the status light next to it. The red light indicates the mic is muted. The blue light means it's paired, and if it's blinking, it means it's unpaired. There's also a pairing buttons on the side and an intelligence noise direction button. So this button lets you activate noise cancellation to black out background noise. Moving on to the receiver, it has a power button as well with label A and B. There's a volume adjustment knob and a headphone audio output. There's also a pairing button for a receiver and an MS button for switching modes. A short press will toggle between stereo and mono modes. The indicator light on the receiver will light up when the stereo mode is active, and it will turn off when mono mode is selected. You can see these changes on the display screen. Now let's talk about setting up the wind muff on the microphone. Just slide it into a designated slot and twist it into place. It's secure and won't fall off easily. Once it's in, just clip it on your shirt or whatever you prefer. Okay, now let's test the microphone. I'm going to head outside and give it a try. Okay, now we are outside of my apartment. As you can see, I'm going to try this microphone, how far I can go. So all I need to do is to just like walk around on that right at the end of the corner. So we're going to try how far this microphone can go up to. So now I'm super close to the camera, and I'm going to step back a little bit so that we can see how far this one. So we're going to try other features of this camera. Now I'm maybe 10 meters away on that camera right there. So I'm going to slowly go on that corner right there, but I'm not sure how far. I don't know if you can see me right now. And yeah, I'm still walking around all the way. And actually the microphone has a denoise cancellation. So we're going to try the denoise right now. So this is the denoise. It means that you can cancel all the background noises. As you can see, or as you can hear earlier, I can hear birds chirping around, and then there's a cars all the way at the side. So now I'm not sure if you can still hear me, but I'm very near at the corner of my apartment. So yeah. I don't know if you can still hear me, but I'm too far away now, maybe around like 50 meters away. Yeah, so this is the end of the corner right now. So yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down in the section below. Yep. And that is a wrap. If you got questions about the mic, feel free to drop them in the comment sections. I'll try to answer everything based on my experience. Big thanks to Fifine for sending this over, but this video is not sponsored and all opinions are mine. If you find this helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and catch you in the next video. Peace out, everybody.